Hey, good morning, it's Tim with Expert Power Wash. I got Brian there right behind me. Got the truck all started. I'm doing something a little bit experimental today, and I wasn't going to shoot a video, so this will probably just be a quick little video. I'm going to put something on my Downstream Injector and see how it does today. I'm washing a big vinyl house, about 3 stories. I'll show you what I'm working on, and again, I'll let you know how it works. Alright guys, so what I have here is a stainless steel. It's a check valve with a 1/4-inch hose barb on it. I've already put the blue tape on there. This piece right here, from what I understand, you can't find these anywhere. There's a guy that has a machine that sells them. If he doesn't mind, I'll share his information in the description of the video. It's all stainless steel. So instead of the spring and the little ball that's in a Downstream Injector, this is going to pull through this check valve. There's a couple different variations of this. I think there's like a super soaker or something like that. There's a couple other vendors that have this. Again, I just got this from an individual that makes them. So let me show you what we're doing here. I got it all set up on the vise. So this deal here, this is a 1/2 inch. I've already loosened it up, so it's just finger tight. So you take this out. Again, these threads it's a different kind of thread. So there's a little ball in there. There's a spring. A lot of times why your Downstream Injector will stop working is these things get jammed up. But honestly, it's not even really worth tinkering with these unless you really want to. This is what I do. I have a bag of these. I have a bunch of miscellaneous parts that stays on the truck, and I'm always ready to go. So there's a spring in the ball. Kind of eliminates that. So that's taken off. This is the 1/4-inch hose barb that's on there, and we're going to put in the new one. How I have my Downstream Injector set up, it's a quick connect. So the male is always leading out towards the hose. That's how I have my stuff. And I'm just going to use this old one and see how it works. If it doesn't work great, then I'll just switch back over to a regular one. It was due for a new one anyways. This thing was sticky on the last job, so it's a good time to do this. So I've already got my blue tape on there. Let's see here. I'm trying to look through the camera and screw this thing on at the same time. So I won't take you through tighten it down and all that stuff, but that's basically the Downstream Injector. Until I put the hose block on mine, I just click right to there. That way if I want to take it off, I can take it off. I know there's bypass deals. I have a box of parts that I could put on here, unloader blocks and bypass hoses and kits and all that good stuff eventually. But today we're going to try this out. Probably what I'll do is if you guys want to comment, ask me how it worked, I'll probably update you guys in the comments on this. So we'll talk to you soon. Hope you guys are all having a great year. All right, it's all hooked up. This is how it looks. Anxious to see how this thing does today.